I'm gonna be doing an apartment tour in the near future. So this is what my dilemma is for now. Let me know. So I'm getting ready to film. Um, yeah, I just was going through my SD cards because I was filming something the other day and the SD card ran out on me. So I was checking to see what was on each of them and trying to figure out a way to organize them in a sense where I know what's on them, and deleting some stuff and just getting my tech stuff a little organized. So I'll be filming later on and then going over my journal calendar. And this month it's just bland. I didn't really like zhuzh it up or anything. Like, for instance, last month I did a little zhuzhing, and the month before that I kind of decorated the page. I don't think I'm going to do it, but this is where I take mini notes on this side, and that side is my actual just calendar. So I was going over what's going on, what I need to do before I start to film, and just watching a show and cooking some dinner. And I'm going to be filming a food haul, or either a haul from 99-cent store or Walmart and different places that I shopped at recently. This is where I solicit your help. Okay, so when I moved here a year ago, I had these prints printed out, and I just stuck them on the wall with some poster putty, which that's how I wanted it to be. I didn't really want it up with a frame at the time. It's been up for a year like that, so somebody just thought that I couldn't afford frames, didn't have frames or something. So they bought me frames, and I was trying something, so I had nailed the frames up on the wall here, and I have them covering up a socket down there, and then just kind of stacking them vertically there. And my daughter came over and she was saying, why don't you just put the pictures in the frames over here and move this picture that my daughter had made me, move this picture. It used to be over here when my beauty corner was here, but my dining table's here now. And she said, just put that picture back. So I'm soliciting. What do you think? Do you like it with just the picture kind of outlining the it's kind of the picture kind of outlining the TV with those up there? Because I mean, I don't have enough wall space to put up these large pictures that my daughter made for me, or put them over there, or leave it like that. I'm gonna be doing an apartment tour in the near future, so this is what my dilemma is for now. Let me know. Thank you.